डायरेक्टरी। जस्ट एक बार हम लोग इसको जस्ट एक बार प्रैक्टिस फॉर्म में हम लोग देख लेते हैं। दिस इज माय command prompt. Okay, just we are putting that the CLS for the clear screen. Okay, this one. Okay, now we are right that is the MD or MIG directory. Okay, so we are right that is the MD. My directory name, suppose I want to create that is the directory report. Okay, so we have put that is the make the MD, then we have put that is the directory name, that is the report. Then press enter. That is the report, that is the directory name is the report is created. How to see this one? कैसे हम लोग देखेंगे? Already we are know in our first lecture, that is the we are use the command of the directory dir. Okay, we have put that is the dir. Then in here that is the report is generated in this way. In this here, that is the report, report. Report is generated in here. That is the 25th January 22. Okay, that is the time is the 1:45 p.m. Okay, which type of this one? That is the directory or file. That is the directory. So in here that is the written dir, and that is the name of the directory is the report is created. Okay, fine, got it, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this way we can create a directory in a DOS operating systems. Okay, next one, that is the change the directory. Suppose I want to work that is the another directory. So we can back to my back from my current directory. My current directory is the report. Suppose that is the report is my current directory. I want to go that is the another directory, back to this one, change the directory. So we are use that is the command is the cd, change directory. We can enter the exit for the any directory. This is command we are use, that is the cd. Okay, to access the directory we are use that is the cd directory name. Okay, so in here that is the syntax, c:/cd directory name. Okay, suppose in here that is the current directory name क्या है मेरा? बलराम मंडल. Okay, suppose I want to work in a report directory में मैं काम करना चाहता हूँ. That means my present working directory क्या होगा? That is a report. How to go this one? We go this one using the cd command. Cd, we are write cd, then we are write report. Then it is go to the report. देखो, c user Balaram Mandal / report. That means my current working directory is my report. Now we can work in this directory. In this directory, that is the name is the report. So we can change the directory using the command of the cd. Okay, now next one, in here that is the, suppose in here we can back to my directory. Prompt will be the change with the directory name. If we keep the 2 dots after the cd command, then we will exit from the directory. Okay, suppose मैं cd से back करना चाहता हूँ. Suppose ये report जो मेरा current working directory क्या है? Report. मैं report से back करना चाहता हूँ. Then we are use that is the cd then double dot. Okay, then it back to the report. देखो, report से पहले मेरा working directory क्या था? Report. अभी क्या हो गया? That is the Balaram Mandal. So this is the way we can change the directory. Also we can go back to the previous directory. If we are use the cd, that means use change the directory. If you are use that the cd double dot, then it back to the previous directory. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the syntax. c:/cd, c report cd c. Okay, report में था मेरा, यहाँ पर किसमें था? रिपोर्ट डायरेक्टरी में था. cd डबल डॉट पुट किया तो मेरा सी प्रॉम्प्ट में आ गया. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, that is the rd command. Rd command used for the remove the directory. This command is used when we want to remove any unusable directory from our disk. Then we are used that is the rd command. Rd stands for the remove the directory. Suppose we are creating here that is the report directory. Already we are create. Suppose I want to delete the report directory. को मैं delete करना चाहता हूँ. Then we are use that is the rd. Then we are write that is the directory name. What is the directory name? That is the report is my directory name. So we have put in here that is the rd report. Remove directory report. Then enter. That means now we are check that is the directory is deleted or not. So how to see in this one? We are use that is the dir command. Okay, dir. Then this is the report directory not present in my current directory. Okay, बलराम ये किसके अंडर में था? बलराम के अंडर में था, बलराम मंडल के अंडर में था. लेकिन अभी देखो, अभी ये डायरेक्टरी है नहीं, यहाँ पर कोई भी रिपोर्ट डायरेक्टरी शो नहीं कर रहा है. That means that is the deleted, the report directory deleted or removed from this current directory. Okay, so RD directory name in here, RD report, that means the report directory is the deleted from the current directory. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one we are go to the next command, that is the path. Path, generally this command is used to display or set the directory for executable files. कोई फाइल को एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए और सेट द डायरेक्टरी सेट करने के लिए हम लोग को पाथ का जरूरत पड़ता है. सो वी आर यूज दैट इज द पाथ कमांड. इन हियर इफ यू आर यूज दैट इज द पाथ कमांड, दैट इज डिस्प्ले द करंट पाथ सेटिंग. क्या पाथ है उसको जानने के लिए वी आर यूज दैट इज द कमांड इज अ पाथ. ओके, जस्ट वी आर पुट इन हियर दैट इज द पाथ. सपोज इन हियर दैट इज द वी आर यूज दैट इज द path path. Then it's showing that is the current path of this one, that is the C:C program file. Okay, del dwl card, this one, this is the total path name. In here that is the scene, that is the total path. Okay, कौन सा ये जो बलराम मंडल जो फोल्डर है, ये कौन सा पाथ में है? ये टोटल मतलब जो ये है करंट जो डायरेक्टरी का जो जहां पर प्रेजेंट जहां पर है टोटल पाथ उसको शो कर रहा है. दैट इज शोइंग द display the current path settings. Okay, it is generally in here, that is the we are write that the C path C windows comma commands and C windows C.tc. Okay, this command will set the directory windows, the command subfolder of the windows and the tc folder from the executable file. Operating system will look for the executable file in this directory. Okay, in here we need any help from the DOS command. We put a slash question mark. Okay, symbol after writing this command at the DOS prompt, then it is showing that the C dir slash this one or that the C prompt copy slash question mark. Okay, it is showing that is the total path of this DOS command. Okay, next one, that is this command are the directory oriented. Okay, that is the md cd double dot, that is the firstly md, then cd double dot, rd. Okay, path, these are the directory oriented. Now some wildcard comment. Some wildcard comment क्या है? That is the wildcard comments are used generally when we are working with the multiple files instead of the single file at a time. Then we are used that is the wildcard command. Okay, this command used in here uses that is the two symbol. One is the question mark and another one is the asterisk symbol. Okay, generally that is the question mark wildcard character. That is the wildcard character question marks. It denoted, suppose we want to list out all the files and directory which have a primary file name made of the 4 characters and the secondary name made of the 3 characters. Then here we use that the dir command with the following switches. Just we are write that the C:, okay, dir, then we are putting that is a question mark. Okay, question mark, then put that is the dot extension. Suppose that is the .exe, .txt, .jpeg, then we are putting that is the dot of a 3 questions mark. Okay, and dir के बाद क्या है? That is the question mark. That means that is the putting in here, that is showing that is the file name or directory name. Okay, so in here dir, that is the question marks in here applicable, that is the file name dot extension. Okay, here question mark symbol represent that the question mark can be any character or any maybe special symbol. Suppose we want to list out all the files which primary field named made of a 4 character. The first character is start from the C. Suppose that is the first character. Suppose that is the file name is the cloud.exe. exe. I want to search this one. Okay, so we are this thing is the, suppose we don't know that is the file name is the cloud. Okay, I want to search cloud. Then we are directly write that is the cloud.exe. But I want to need that is the file name that are starting from the C. C से जो फाइल स्टार्ट है वो फाइल को मैं सर्च करना चाह रहा हूँ. Then we are use that is the command is the C colon dir. Okay, C, that is the cloud is starting from the C, or any file that is the that is present in the current working directory that is starting from the C, all are so. So we are just put that there is the first letter C, then that is the question mark .exe. Okay, so so it displayed all the directory or all the file that is the starting name is the C, and that is the file type. File type is the .exe. All are the shown by this command. Okay, so we are just put dir C, then question mark, then .exe. Okay, got it, student? Wildcard character.
Yes, sir.
वेरी सिंपल. हम लोग डीआर में क्या शो करता है जनरली? डीआर शोज ऑल द फाइल एंड ऑल द डायरेक्टरी इन योर प्रेजेंट वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी. ओके, प्रेजेंट वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी में कितना फाइल है, कितना फोल्डर, कितना डायरेक्टरी है, ये शो करता है. सपोज इन हियर मुझे पता नहीं है, जो suppose in here we want to search that is the starting directory of the C. जो भी डायरेक्टरी C से स्टार्ट है उसको मुझे चाहिए, एंड ऑल्सो दैट इज द फाइल टाइप इज द .exe वाला. तो हम लोग कैसे क्या कमांड लिखेंगे? वी आर जस्ट पुट दैट इज द dir, देन दैट इज द C, दैट इज द वी नो दैट द स्टार्ट कैरेक्टर इज द C. So we are put that the C, then we are putting that the question mark, then .exe. So it's showing all the exe file that is starting from the C that are shown in your directory command. Okay, next, that's the wildcard command. Next one is the asterisk sign में क्या होता है? Generally asterisk sign, that is also this is the wildcard character. If we want to list all the file with extension .exe, then the command we give is that is the directory star.exe. Okay, in here it is showing all the file that are the extension .exe, all are the shown by this command dir *exe. Okay, exe टाइप का जितना भी फाइल है वो शो कर जाएगा. Okay, so we are used in here, that is the asterisk symbol. This is the called wildcard command. Okay, so two wildcard commands are present. One is the question mark and another one is the asterisk. Okay, next one is the copy command. Copy command in here, that is the if we have a copy the song from our CD drive to our hard drive. Suppose कुछ कॉपी करना चाहते हैं तो मुझे पाथ जानना जरूरी है. पाथ के लिए क्या चाहिए? मुझे पाथ कमांड यूज करेंगे. पाथ कमांड यूज करेंगे तो टोटल पाथ मुझे पता चल जाएगा. तो सपोज आई वांट टू कॉपी द सॉन्ग फ्रॉम सीडी ड्राइव टू हार्ड ड्राइव. ओके, कुछ गाना है, वो गाने सीडी में है, मैं हार्ड ड्राइव में मैं उसको सेव करना चाहता हूं. देन वी आर यूज्ड दैट इज द कॉपी कमांड, दैट इज द कॉपी, देन we are source to destination. Okay, just we are put that the source to destination. Suppose that the CD drive is the e colon dot asterisk of a mp3, then it that is the destination file C song. So ये क्या होगा? e फोल्डर में जितना भी CD ड्राइव में जितना भी mp3 सॉन्ग है उसको उठाकर ये सी ड्राइव में सॉन्ग्स फोल्डर के अंदर ये कॉपी कर देगा. इफ वी आर यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ कमांड, दैट इज द कॉपी, देन वी आर राइट दैट इज द फाइल नेम, देन वी आर राइट दैट इज द टोटल पाथ, दैट इज द source path, and this is the destination path. Okay, so this is the use of the copy command. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Next one is the rain command. Rain. If you want to rename all the files which have extension of a txt to extension msg, then we are give the command. Okay. Suppose we want to rename our file. Suppose मैं rename करना चाह रहा हूँ कुछ फाइल को. Suppose that is the file is a txt file. txt फाइल है उसको मैं .msg में ले जाना चाहता हूँ. So we are use that is the rename command. Rename, that means we are use ren, R-E-N. That is the command name is the ren. Ren, we are write just ren, then asterisk of txt जितना भी फाइल है, that is the txt oriented जितना भी फाइल है. So that is the we are put that is the asterisk dot txt. Then we are use that is my asterisk dot msg. So क्या करेगा, जितना भी फाइल है वहां पर txt फाइल है उसको msg में कन्वर्ट करके देगा. So we are use that is the ren command. If we want to rename all the files which have extension txt to extension of msg or .dat to .mpeg, so we are use this type of command, that is the ren asterisk dot txt to, that means the space star asterisk dot msg. Then it rename all the files in this folder, okay, or a directory. So that is the work done by the ren. Next one is the del command. Del used for the file name. Generally del command is used to remove specific file. फाइल को अगर रिमूव करना है तो मैं क्या यूज करूंगा, जैसे डायरेक्टरी को रिमूव करना है तो वी आर यूज दैट द आरडी कमांड, रिमूव डायरेक्टरी. अगर फाइल को डिलीट करना है, फाइल को रिमूव करना है करंट डायरेक्टरी से, सो वी आर यूज दैट द कमांड इज द del command. We are used that is the del command. Del command is used to remove the specific file. Okay, del, if we want to erase those files which have the extension of tmp from our disk, then we use that is the command. That is the command is the c prompt. Okay, del star dot tmt. So जो जितना भी tmt dot extension का फाइल है वो सारे फाइल को डिलीट कर देगा using the command of the del. So we are write the syntax c prompt del star asterisk dot tmp. Okay, if we use this one, then this is delete all the file extension of the .tmp. Okay, got it? If you are delete the file, if you are delete the directory, then use the rd command, remove directory. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, that is the some external command. Now next some external command. We are in a Dix operating system. We are used that is the Dix residence command. That is called the Dix residence command. The external command are known as the Dix residence command. Okay, because they can be stored with the DOS directory or any Dix which is used to getting those commands. Okay, this commands help to perform the some specific tasks. These are stored in a secondary storage device. Some of the important external commands are given below. That is the more mem, that is the memory system, sys system, xcopy, move, fc, check disk, sort, find, disk copy, attribute, and label. So these are the some external command we are used in a Dix operating system or a DOS directory that is residing in the secondary memory. That is also called that is also called as the Dix residence command. Okay, so one by one we are discuss. Okay, first one is the more command. That is the more command using that is that if we are type, that is using the type command. Okay, using the type command we can see the content of any file. Already we are seen in a last day class. If you are using that the type अगर यूज करेंगे तो क्या होगा, फाइल के जो फाइल मैं बनाया हूं उस फाइल में अगर कुछ भी लिखा हो, so that is shown by the type command. Okay, but if the length of the file is greater than 25 lines, then remaining lines will be scroll up. Okay, remaining line will be scroll up. To overcome this problem, we use the more command. Okay, suppose that is the that is the content already shown by the type command. Okay, but that is the content is more than 25 line, more than 25 line. Then we are using the scrolling. So this problem we can overcome by the help of the more command. Using this command, we can pause the display after the 25 line. Okay, we can pause this one. Suppose in here we are write that the C prompt type file name, then that the content are displayed. Okay, then we are use that is the more. If we are write that is the type file name, then more it is showing the first 25 line, then pause, then then enter, then next 25 lines are shown, then enter, then 25 lines are shown. In this way we are use the type command. Okay, using the pipeline of the more command. So we are write in here that the C prompt type file name, then more. Okay, then it is showing that the first 25 line, then next 25 line, next 25 line, next 25 line, next 25 line. In this is the use of the more command. Okay, got it, student?
Yes, sir.
क्या बात है, बाकी किसी का रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं है, एक ही बच्चे का रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है। बाकी लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं, ना सुन रहे हो या नहीं? क्लास में प्रेजेंट हो अभिनव?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the more command. Okay, next one, that is the mem command. Mem, this command is display free and used amount of the memory in the computer. That is the memory, that is the display the memory. क्या display करेगा? That is the how many space is unused and what is the used memory. If we are type, that is the mem command. Okay, MEM, it displayed that is the free and a used amount of the memory in the computer or a particular disk. Okay, this computer will be displayed the amount of the memory. If we are used, that is the C prompt mem. Okay, that is the very simple, just याद रखना होगा. Suppose मुझे free space or a used amount of memory मुझे देखना है, then we are type that is the after C colon we are type that is the memory. Okay, next, that is the sys, that is the system. That the sys command is used for the copy the system file to any disk. Okay, कोई भी डिस्क में अगर मुझे सिस्टम फाइल को अगर कॉपी करना है, then we are use that is the command is the sys. This command is used for the copy the system file to any disk. These disks having a system files are known as the bootable disks. Okay, that is called the bootable disks, which are used for the booting the computer. Okay, so how to do this one? We are use that is the command of the C prompt system, then we are write that is the drive name. Suppose you want to taking this one is the floppy drive, then we are in here we are just put that the C colon sys F drive. Okay, F colon, that means that is the file is transferred from C to F, that is the file is transferred. Okay, this command will transfer the three main system file, that is the command.com, input output systems, ms.system to the floppy disk. Okay, so in this way we can copy the system file from your computer to the disk, to the any disk. Okay, just floppy disk or a CD or a pen drive, then just you put that the system, then you put the drive name. Okay, it is transfer the system file to the computer, to your computer, to another disk. Okay, next one, xcopy. Xcopy, we are use this command when we need to copy the directory instead of the file from a one location to the another. We are use the xcopy command. Okay, this command is much faster than the copy command. Already copy हम लोग कर सकते हैं, कौन सा command से? Copy command से. लेकिन xcopy अगर use करेंगे तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Just we put that the xcopy source file name, source file name to destination target destination. Okay, so xcopy TC to turbo C, then it is copies the TC to the turbo. Okay, turbo C. Okay, so in here that is the we use the another copy command that is called the X copy. It is the very faster than the copy command. Okay, if we copy the directory instead of the file from the one location to another. Okay, in here just the copy the directory. Copy से क्या हो रहा था? Just we are transferring the file. Just copy the file from one location to the another location. In here we are not copying the file one by one. We are just we are copy the all the directory or inside the file of this directory we want to copy. Then we are used that the command is the X copy. Okay, that is the difference between the copy and X copy. Okay, it is the faster than the copy command. In here we are used that is the X copy source directory name and destination directory name. Okay, source directory is the TC and target directory name is the turbo C. Then we are use X copy TC to turbo C. Okay, so this one is the X copy command, function of the X copy command. Next one is the move. Move command generally used to moving one file or a multiple files from one location to another location or a from one disk to another disk. Okay, अगर file को move कराना है, then we are use that is a move command. Move command. Just we are write that is the first C prompt. Then we are command is the move file name. जो file name में use करो file name then the path. Then the path you want to that is the destination the destination path. Just we are use that the C move file name. Suppose I want to move the file name string.mp3 mp3 extension का जितना भी फाइल है इसको मैं कॉपी करना चाह रहा हूँ C song old song के अंदर. So we are right that the path name is the C song old song. Then the mp3 that is the dot extension mp3 files are transferred to the old song folder. Okay, so this is the use of the move command. Okay, got it, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is the FC. FC command generally used that is the file compare. कोई भी फाइल को अगर compare करना है, that means this command is capable for comparing two sets of file and display the differ between the two files. दोनों फाइल में क्या क्या डिफरेंस है ये अगर देखना है तो मुझे FC command use करना पड़ेगा. Then we are use that is the FC command. Okay, that is the file compare. FC stands for the file compare. In here we are just write C prompt FC that is the file compare. First set of file and next that is the second set of a file. तो दोनों फाइल का नाम लिखना है and we are use करेंगे FC command. Then it compare that is the two file attributes. Okay, two file में क्या क्या difference है वो display करेगा. Then we are use that is the FC command. Okay. What is the CHKDSK? CHKDSK command. Generally that is the CHKDSK. CHKDSK. That is the CHKDSK. This command is used to check the status of the disk and show the report of the result status. Report of the result status. Okay. This command is used to check the status of the disk and show the report of the result of the status. Okay. Just we have put that the C CHKDSK. Then it is showing this is this one C CHKDSK. That the CHKDSK is not a checked that is the drive for the error. You must scan disk. Okay. Volume 1. This one. Serial number is this one. That means that is a particular C disk का C जो ड्राइव है C ड्राइव का वॉल्यूम क्या है सीरियल नंबर क्या है ये सारे चीज का इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए हम लोग क्या कमेंट यूज करेंगे दैट इज द CHKDSK कमेंट CHKDSK. This command is used to check the status of the disk and show the report and or the result of the status of this particular drive or a disk. Okay, this is the use of the CHKDSK command. Next one is the sort command. Sort command, that the sort command is used. Sort command is useful when we want to sort a file. Sort a file. When we run this command, the result can be get to display device or a file. When you run this command, the result can be get to display device or a file. Okay, the command is useful when we want to sort a file. कोई भी फाइल को अगर sort करना है, then we are used that is the command is a sort. When we run this command, the result can be get to display the device or a file. So how to write this one? What is the syntax? Syntax is the C sort, then input file name and output file name. Suppose we have a file that is a player.txt. We are having the list of the cricket player team, and we want to sort the list of the player. Then we are use this command, that is a sort player.txt. Okay, if we not specify the output file name, then the result will be shown to the screen. And if we are used, that is a /r, switch to use, that is the sorting, that is the file is descending order, like as the Z2A or 9 to 0. Okay, /r, then that is the sorting are according to the descending order. That means in a letter, that is the Z2A, that is the first letter is starting from the sorting, that is the descending order, that is the Z2A, or in a serial number, that is the 9 to 0, according to the digit, that is the 0 to 9. If we are used, that is the output file name, then it is displayed in the output file name. If you are not used in the output file name, then it is displayed in a screen. Okay, just we are used, that is the sort file name, input file name. Then it is sorting all the name or all the digit in this input file. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is the find command. The find command is used to search the file for the text sharing. Okay, अगर text sharing करना है, then we are use, that is a command of the find. Okay, in here that is a text string को अगर short करना है, find करना है, then we are use, that is the command is the find. Okay, suppose I want to find, that is the office. Suppose मेरे पास एक फाइल है gulab.txt, इसमें मैं ऑफिस को फाइंड करना चाहता हूँ, gulab.txt में अगर सपोज एक वर्ड है, दैट इज द ऑफिस, कहाँ है, इसको अगर मुझे चेक करना है तो we are used, that is the syntax, that is the we are used C prompt find, then you are write that the sorting to search, जो सर्च करना चाहते हो, suppose using the double quotation, suppose office सर्च करना चाहते हो, so we are write that the find office, then you are put that the file name. Okay, so in here that the office is displayed into this file gulab.txt. The clock in the office can never get installed. So office is here, so office is underlined or highlighted. Okay, that is the command we are used, that is the find. Okay, find अगर use करेंगे तो हम लोग find कर सकते हैं किसी भी फाइल से, किसी भी string को अगर find करना है तो then we are used, that is the command is the find. Okay, next one is the disk copy. Disk copy, generally that is the copy is the content of the floppy disk to another. अगर मुझे floppy disk से किसी भी ड्राइव में अगर कॉपी करना है, then we are used, that is the disk copy. तो कॉपी का कितना भाग किया गया? Firstly, one is the copy, another one is the X copy, and third one is the disk copy. Disk copy में क्या होता है? That is the copy is the content of the floppy disk to the another. Floppy disk से अगर हार्ड ड्राइव में अगर मुझे कॉपी करना है, then we are used, that is the command is the disk copy. Okay, in here we are write that is the C prompt disk copy drive 1 to drive 2. Okay, suppose that is the floppy drive is the name is the A colon, then we are write that the disk copy A colon, then our hard drive is the B, then we are write that the B colon. So in the so we are put this one, that is the content of the floppy disk. Floppy disk is copied to the hard drive B. Okay, this command will copy all the content of A drive to B drive. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Next one is the attribute. Generally, the attribute is the set of various type of attribute to the file. Okay, like read only, archive, hidden, system attributes. Okay, so in here, suppose I want to know that is the what is the attribute is set into the file. Suppose that is the read only file, write only file, or read write both permissions are done. So how to know that is the what is the attribute are present in here. So we are just use that is the command is the attrib. We have command use in here is the attrib, that is the R is used for the read, A is used for the archive. Okay, H for use for the hidden file, and S is used for the system attribute. Okay, then you are right, that is the file name. Here that is the R is you R stands for the read only, A for the archive, H for the hidden, and S for the hidden attribute. Suppose we have put that the attrib plus of R, that the file name is the gulab.txt. This command will change the attribute of the gulab.txt read only mode. Okay, to remove the read only attribute, we are follow this command, that is the attrib minus R gulab.txt. Okay, suppose you are create that is the one file, that is the file name is the gulab.txt. Suppose I want to permission to the reader only this is the file he can read, not any modify or write this file. Then we have change the attribute of this file. How to change this one? We are just change this one using the comment of the attrib ATTRIB. Then we are write that is the plus R. That means that is the second party. That means that is the second party only can read this file, not modify, not write this file. Okay, so we are write that is the attrib plus R, then file name. Okay, suppose I want to change this one, only read, not only a read, just he will modify this file, or he will write anything of the file. Then we are just use that the attrib minus of R, plus R only read, minus R, that means he can modify or write this file. Then we are use that the attrib minus R gulab.txt. Okay, so in this way we can change the attrib of the file. Okay, fine, got it?
Yes, sir.
Next one is the label. Label क्या होता है? If you are not happy with the volume level of the hard disk, you can change it. Okay, you can change it. Suppose that we have put that the C level. Okay, then it's showing that the C level, that is the volume is the volume drive C is the this one, volume serial number is this one, and volume level 11 character is entered to none. Okay, in here if you are put this one, then you can change that is the label of this volume. Okay, suppose you are write in here .c. Suppose you want to change this one, name is the, suppose that is the age or K, or suppose that is the name. Suppose you want to the name, you want to write the drive name जो C D E F रहता है. Suppose I want to change, this is the name. Suppose that is the Jai, Jai. Then this is the, we are just put that is the label, and it is the drive zone is the C. Next you change that is the Jai, so it is just showing that is the Jai. Okay, that is the volume level is the rename, that is the C to Jai. Okay, so in this way that is the label is operate. Okay, next one is the format. Format command. This command is create a new text or a section in the disk. It is a format that drive. Suppose you want to format your drive, then you are use that is the format command. Okay, format, just C colon format, format a colon. That means the A drive. Suppose I want to format the A drive, then we are use that the command is the format a colon. Okay, then it is the format your A drive. Okay, so this is the command we are used in a disk operating system or a DOS. Okay. Okay, have you any query regarding the comment section of DOS? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sandeep Suman Marandi. Sandeep Suman?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you any queries?
No, sir.
Okay. Annesa Tiwari,
Yes, sir.
have you any query?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. तो अब करना क्या है तुम लोगों को? Already DOS command already completed. Okay. तो जितना भी कमेंट पढ़ा गया है फर्स्ट लेक्चर में एंड सेकंड लेक्चर में, सारे कमेंट को कंपाइल करके एक रिपोर्ट शीट में लिखना, आइदर वर्ड, आइदर पीडीएफ या हैंड रिटन, जो तुम लोग अच्छा समझते हो, उसको लिखकर एक मैं असाइंड असाइनमेंट एक टैब क्रिएट कर दूंगा, उसमें सबमिट करना है। ठीक है, ये जो पीपीटी है मैं शेयर कर देता हूं तुम लोग इसमें टीम में। ठीक है, फर्स्ट पीपीटी मिल गया था।
यस सर।
ओके, तो सेकंड पीपीटी भी मैं शेयर कर देता हूं। पीपीटी का हेल्प से इस कमेंट को प्रैक्टिस करो, पहले प्रैक्टिस करो। प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद मैं एक डेट दे दूंगा, ड्यू डेट दे दूंगा, उसी डेट के अंदर इसको सबमिट करना है रिपोर्ट शीट में लिखकर। ठीक है, समझ में आए?
यस सर।
तो आज के लिए यहीं पर मैं इस क्लास को छोड़ रहा हूँ एंड लीव कर रहा हूँ, एंड पीपीटी को मैं शेयर कर देता हूँ। उससे पहले मैं अटेंडेंस ले लेता हूँ। ठीक है, एक मिनट रुक जाओ जस्ट। Attendance OS. Today's 25 ना? ओके, ठीक है। पीपीटी को मैं शेयर कर देता हूँ पहले, उसके बाद तुम लोग लीव करना। पहले देख लो। न्यू कॉन्वर्सेशन। देखो मिल चुका है, पीपीटी मिल गया
यस
है
सर।
सब। ठीक है, ये दोनों पीपीटी का हेल्प लेकर रिपोर्ट शीट बनाओ, रिपोर्ट शीट सबमिट करना। मैं एक असाइनमेंट टैब क्रिएट कर दूंगा। ठीक है, तो इसका ड्यू डेट कब रखो? आज हो गया 25, आज हो गया ट्यूसडे ना, कल तक।
कल सर टुमारो इवनिंग तक।
टुमारो इवनिंग, नो प्रॉब्लम, टुमारो इवनिंग तक मैं कर देता हूँ। ठीक है, ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू एग्री? ठीक है, शशांक सर कोई बातें नहीं कर रहा है।
सर थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर दीजिए ना।
थोड़ा मतलब कितना? वही तो जानना चाह रहा हूँ, बोलो।
सर थर्सडे या फ्राइडे तक कर दीजिए।
ठीक है, 28 तारीख डाल देता हूँ। मतलब जो भी असाइनमेंट होगा,
Yes, sir.
वीक में एक ही दिन क्लास है हम लोग का, ट्यूसडे क्लास होता है। ठीक है, ये फ्राइडे तक सबमिट हो जाना चाहिए। ठीक है,
यस यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
सपोज 25 तारीख में क्लास हुआ, 28 तारीख तक सबमिट होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट क्लास 1 तारीख को होगा, फरवरी का 1 तारीख में होगा, उसको सबमिट करना पड़ेगा 4 तारीख में। ठीक है, ड्यू डेट अप टू फ्राइडे तक रहेगा। ठीक है, उससे पहले प्रैक्टिस कर लेना। ये नहीं है जो कॉपी में लिख दिया। अभी लैब में है, लैब 4:30 बजे तक है। ठीक है, तो प्रैक्टिस करना है, प्रैक्टिस करो। अगर कुछ भी क्वेरीज होगा तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में पूछ लेना। ठीक है, या भाया फोन से पूछ लो। और एक चीज, एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप क्रिएट कर लो। तो मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, कौन करेगा? शशांक?
यस सर।
शशांक एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप क्रिएट करो। ठीक है, ओएस लैब SP22 देकर। ठीक है,
ओके सर। सर
तो
नंबर
मेरा
चैट में
व्हाट्सएप,
लिख दीजिए।
हाँ मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, लिख लो 70631।
यस सर, उसके बाद
87623।
ओके सर।
87623। इसमें CS2 का बच्चा रहेगा, जो लोग लैब कर रहे हो, इंक्लूडिंग मी। ओके, जो भी वैल्यूएबल इंफॉर्मेशन होगा इस व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू हम लोग शेयर करेंगे। ओके,
ओके सर।
ठीक है, लैब का जो असाइनमेंट डेट होगा, असाइनमेंट ड्यू डेट होगा, दैट इज द फ्राइडे, एवरी फ्राइडे। ओके, जो भी क्लास होगा ट्यूसडे का, उस क्लास को मतलब उसका जो सबमिशन डेट होगा फ्राइडे में, ठीक है? ओके, गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
ओके, थैंक यू। तो मैं लीव करता हूँ।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.